Check out how easy it is to put our wigs on. Check out this cap here. You definitely cannot see my nails underneath. We will cut the lace for you in store. This is a beautiful inside cap construction. We have a fake scalp illusion right here, which allows you to have your hair any kind of way underneath. There's a removable and adjustable band right here. You simply remove it with this hook here. You adjust it with this hook here, or you can remove it just like so on the opposite side here and just slide that right on in here, and there you go. So you can completely remove that from your wig. This is our back side. We have two more adjustable hooks right here. We have our Magic Hair Company comb, and there you go. There's our inside cap construction. And if you were putting this on, we would definitely cut the lace for you, but we'll definitely show you how easy it is to put the wig on here. Make sure the back of the wig is completely down. And imagine what this is like without the lace, but this is what the hairline looks like right here. This is our standard hairline. There's baby hair around this perimeter. You just kind of pull them out right there, and there you go. That's how easy and simple it is to put on one of our lace wigs here at Magic Hair Company. Shop with us today. Check out our website, magichaircompany.com.